Have you ever looked at that empty, boring corner in your home and wondered, what can I do with this? Well, today I have got you covered. Let's turn that wasted space into a stunning corner garden that will bring life, color, and beauty to your home. Stick with me till the end because I'm sharing some genius ideas you won't want to miss. Welcome to Explore Decor, the guideline, your go to place for amazing home decor ideas. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on fresh inspiration. Let's start with something simple yet super effective: vertical plant stands. If you have a simple space, go up instead of out. A sleek wooden or metal plant stand with different levels can instantly transform a dull corner into a mini green paradise. And here is also a bonus tip for you. You can mix different plants heights for that lush layered look. If you are short on floor space, no worries. A hanging corner garden is your best friend. Install a couple of ceiling hooks and hanging beautiful planter filled with trailing plants like pothos, string of pearls, or ferns. Not only does it save space, but it also adds a dreamy, cascading effects to your room. Trust me, this one is a showstopper. How about creating a peaceful escape right in your home? A small zen garden with white pebbles, a tiny fountain, and a bonsai tree can turn any neglected corner into a calming retreat. Add a cozy seat nearby, and you have got yourself the perfect spot to unwind after a long day. And if you love dye projects, this one is for you. Install a few floating shelves in your corner and fill them with potted plants, mini succulents, and even some decorative garden lights. You can even mix few small garden fingeries to make it feel more personalized and unique. If you want your garden corner to shine at night, wrap fairy lights around your plants, shelves, or even a small trellis. The soft glowing creates a magical atmosphere perfect for cozy evening or impressive guests. It's simple, affordable, and give your space that wow factor. And there you have it, 5 stunning corner garden ideas that can completely transform your space. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.